If you want to transform your financial life, start by investing in your financial education. It doesn't matter how much you earn today. What truly matters is how you manage and grow your money. Without the right knowledge, even a high income can vanish in a blink. But with the right habits and strategies, even small amounts can build wealth. Today, we'll walk through the 7 practical steps that anyone can follow to gain control over their money and build a financially secure future. Let's begin. 1. Understand what financial education really means. Schools rarely teach us how to handle money, yet financial decisions are part of our daily lives. Financial education is not about becoming an expert. It's about learning how to make smart choices, control spending, save effectively, and invest wisely. Start with reliable sources, books, videos, podcasts. Learn about budgeting, debt, credit, compound interest, taxes, and the difference between assets and liabilities. But don't just consume information, apply it. Action is where results come from. 2. Assess your current financial situation. You can't fix what you don't understand. Analyze your current income, expenses, savings, and debts. Track where every dollar goes. Are your debts manageable? Do you have an emergency fund? Can you save at least 10% of your income? This financial diagnosis will show you where to improve and give you clarity about your habits. 3. Take control with a personal budget. A good budget is your financial GPS. List all your income and expenses. Categorize them. Identify which expenses are helping you grow and which are draining your resources. Make saving the first priority in your budget, not what's left over. Use a spreadsheet or an app and update it weekly. This routine will help you stay aligned with your goals and adjust when needed. 4. Eliminate your debts. Before you think about investing, pay off your debts. Start with a full list. You can use the snowball method, starting with the smallest debt, or the avalanche method, starting with the highest interest. Whichever you choose, act fast, and remember, don't take on new debts unless absolutely necessary. 5. Save and invest wisely. Saving is the foundation. Begin with an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. Then start investing stocks, funds, real estate. Choose based on your goals and risk tolerance. Start with 10% of your income and grow from there. Consistency is key. Compound interest turns time into wealth. Make your money work for you. 6. Set clear financial goals. Without goals, money gets wasted. Define short term, like vacations, medium term, like buying a house, and long term goals, like retirement. Be specific and track your progress. Your goals give purpose to your financial habits. Revisit and adjust them as your life changes. 7. Keep learning and adapting. The world changes, the economy evolves. Stay informed. Keep reading, learning, and improving your strategies. The more you know, the more control you'll have over your financial destiny. Conclusion. These 7 steps are simple but powerful. Learn the basics, evaluate your situation, organize your budget, eliminate debts, save and invest, set goals, keep learning. Follow this path, and you won't just manage money, you'll master it.